Welcome to Yoskies. I'm Captain Pushkar, and this is the setup of Cessna 172. We are making a 10 video series, and this is the first video of our series where we'll be doing the startup procedures, taxi procedures, and the introduction of Cessna 172 along with the ATC. Let's go. Okay, let's talk about the primary controls of the aircraft first. This is your yoke. When you turn it to the left aileron goes up, right goes down. When you go right aileron goes up, left goes down. Now pitch up, the elevator goes up, elevator, now pitch down, now elevator goes down. So this is the yoke. Now we have rudders also. So step onto the rudders. Now go full left, rudder moves to the left, go full right, rudder moves to the right. So the yawing is controlled through the rudders. So this is your throttle quadrant. So since we fly multiple aircrafts in the same setup, that's why we have two throttles, and for feathering we use this, and we've got two mixture controls also. But since Cessna is a single engine aircraft, we will use one throttle and one mixture control, so which allows the fuel supply to the engine. Now let's talk about the instruments. So these are your 6 packs: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go one by one. This is your airspeed indicator that will show the airspeed. This is your artificial horizon or attitude indicator. This is your altimeter, which shows you altitude. This is your turn coordinator. This is your heading indicator, which needs to be aligned with your magnetic compass at all times. This is your vertical speed indicator. Okay, here's your master control. That's your battery. And right next to that is your avionics control, avionics switches, bus 1 and bus 2. And right under that are your light switches: beacon light, landing lights, taxi lights, nav lights, and strobe lights. Now we'll demonstrate the usage of checklist and startup.
Startup checklist: sit track and backlog,
Check.
avionics off,
Check.
autopilot off,
Check.
throttle to 1/4, mixture full bleed, brakes, props clear, right is clear, left is clear, battery on, auxiliary fuel pump on, beacon lights on, mixture is 3 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, mixture fully, auxiliary fuel pump off, magnetos,
Left is clear,
right is clear, right is clear, props clear, mixture check, oil pressure
it's coming in green.
check, bulb on, check, lights, mixture,
Switch on the nav lights.
nav lights on,
Startup checklist completed. Pre-taxi checklist.
pre-taxi checklist, seat belts and harnesses, check,
On.
flaps up, check, avionics on, lights, navos.
Now we'll tune the Mumbai ATIS frequency. Mumbai ATIS frequency is 126.400. So we will use this now to change the frequency. Now we'll activate the frequency.
Vehicles are positioned on the north ramp for routine checks. Advise on course heading, altitude, and if flight following is requested. Read back all runway and hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact to have information hotel. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, information hotel. 0600 Zulu. Arriving and departing runways 9er, 14, wind 110 at 7, visibility 1, sky conditions, no significant clouds, temperature 30, dew point 15, QNH 1014, transition level 50, Emergency vehicles are positioned on the north ramp for routine checks. Advise on course heading, altitude, and flight following is requested. Read back all runway and hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact. You have information hotel.
Okay. So we got the ATIS information. Information hotel is current. Winds are from 110 and sky conditions are clear. QNH is 1014. Alright, proceed with the checklist. Now we'll make our call to the air traffic controllers. This simulator is equipped with live ATC. We'll show you that how it works. So the Mumbai ground frequency is 121.900, which is already activated. Now we'll make our call to the air traffic controller. Okay. Mumbai ground, Victor Tango Yankee Oscar Sierra, stand Alpha 1 with information hotel request taxi to runway 09.
Victor Oscar Sierra, the runway liner, taxi via Lima 4, November.
Taxi via Lima 4, November, Victor Oscar Sierra. Okay, now we'll taxi. Right side is clear, left side is clear. Taxi, apply right rudder, right brake, and add power. Now we'll taxi using rudders. So add power, use right rudder to align yourself on the center line. Here you can check your ground speed. November is to the right. Maintain that center line using rudder. Done. Okay, so this was our first video, and in this video we saw the startup procedures along with the ATC. So we have a AI ATC system integrated on our own system here. So if you make a right call to our air traffic controller, it gives you a right call. Then only it is going to reply you basically. So if you don't make a right call, it will not reply. So it is very realistic. And yeah, that sums up our first episode. See you in the next episode. Alright, अबे कुछ छू क्यों रहा है उसको रोकना भाई।
मुझे लगा चालू कर दे इन्होंने पीछे से ये दे रहे हैं
बस खेल रहा है उसका। मैं सोच रहा हूँ इधर बात करने की। ठीक है।
हेलो 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 हेलो।
शूटिंग कर रहे क्या?
हाँ भाई भाई।
अच्छा ठीक है। सर ने कॉल किया था।
अच्छा ठीक है ओके।
शूटिंग कर रहे हो क्या? बबुआ
अरे सानी थोड़ा राइट हो
या फिर ऐसे रख सकता है तू। अबे यार मेरे को बोलते थे नी पैड लेके आता, मैं नी पैड था मेरे पास एक्चुअली, ऐसे टाई करता नी पैड और
अरे भाई